Hello there. This is Jim's Property Management. Anyhow, I'm just working away on this house here, trying to get some work done to it that's been drastically in need of doing. 18th of March, 2025, and it's about 8 degrees out. Perfect for doing work. Just loving it. Yeah, so just take you around here. I'm going to flip. And as you can see, you know, some old eaves trough there yet to come off. And here we are, we've got new eaves trough on here. You know, it's looking pretty good. We've still got downspouts to put on, but that's pretty quick and easy to do. Anyhow, we're, yeah, all new soffits, fascia. The soffit that was there is, as you can see, I've left this part open for you to be able to see it. Just, you know, there was one hole on this side, as you can see, and I just had a grate over it. And then over here, there was one hole, had a grate over it. I have been able to look up there and see that they do have more vents all the way along. So what we've done is we've gone along and I've got most of the holes all covered over now. But you can see here on the ground, you know, there's the pieces. There's one by the drill there. Just drilling out hole after hole to open up the old plywood soffit here. Get some air going into the attic. This house is in dire need of air getting into this attic. It's not vented properly. It's not vented as, you know, it should be today. I could have ripped all the plywood right down, but that's just more of a mess, more of a job. There's a lot of trim stuff up there and everything that needed to come, that would have to come off. The client just wanted to go about it, you know, in a way that would be a little more, one, aesthetically pleasing, and two, to make sure that around here, make sure that the house is breathing properly. The last thing you want is your roof not being able to breathe. The roof deck needs to get the air in order for the roof deck to, one, stay dry. That way you get no mold in your attic and your insulation. You know, and again, I was able to confirm that there are more vents all the way along. So now with drilling holes along this and into the plywood, this roof is going to just suck air. It's gonna love it. The house will stay cooler. The house will stay warmer. You know, it's just going to be a wonderful thing for this house. It's a relatively old house. As you can see, it's been done all in the the old way of doing things. So anyway, yeah, as you can see, you know, 18th of March, still snow on the ground, of course, and yeah, wouldn't be surprised if we get some more. So looks like it might be actually in the next few days or so. Hope not. Keep my fingers crossed. Well, yeah, I'll take care, and yeah, again, this is all eaves trough, soffit, fascia. Get this house looking better and get it breathing better. Okay, you take care. Bye now.